Hey devs, Be Kind here and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create your own team change GUI. And with that team change GUI, players will be able to change their own teams easily through the client instead of touching a specific brick or a spawn point to change their team. So first of all, let's insert a screen GUI. For each UI you name, it doesn't matter what you name it, but if you want to go my way, you can go my way if you want. So let's go team change GUI. We're going to put in a frame. I suggest putting the anchor point to a 0.5 and 0.5 and changing each scaling position on both the X and Y to a 0.5, so that way it stays in the center of the screen. You can size it to whatever size you want. It doesn't matter, but you can follow my way if you would like to. It's fine if you follow my way. And we're gonna change the background transparency. Alright. We'll make it like that. So we're going to then put a button which will open and close the window at the same time. So once again, it doesn't matter what size you can do it. You can do it my way if you would like, or you can do it your own way. And we will open the UI, change team. And once we got that, we will start inserting some teams in there. So let's go. I'll go change that to a open close button. So we'll put the red team right there. I highly recommend doing a UI list layout, so that way it will be easier for you to put them in a list order. So the padding, we'll adjust the padding, and then we will place in some buttons to change the team. Doesn't matter what font you use. You can choose whatever font you use, or you can use the same font as me. But I highly suggest using a different font to fit your own game. So that's what I highly recommend doing. Whoopsies. So there we go. Reminder, I would like you to change the color so that way it can fit the UI. So that's what I highly recommend you do. So we're going to use the yellow team to be right over here. And then the green. And I'll just add a purple team. I'll add a purple team. Purple team. There we go. So now that we got the entire team buttons in the UI, we're going to start with the script soon. But wait until I get all the, so 150. Then I'll just do. You gotta calculate yourself the size, because then you can get the full window right there. And there you go. All the buttons are in the UI. So let's script the button. We're going to create a function that will run when the user clicks the button. So then so there we go. We got the function. Now we're going to use a startup command here so that the window will go invisible, so that way it starts off closed. But if you want to do like one that's like in the game or something, like players, if you want to make it so that players see it right when they join the game, you might want to like take that function out if you want to do that. But otherwise, we can keep it that way. Or actually, I will do that. I will just make it so that you can go into, when you join the game, you can make it so that you can change the team right when they join the game. So visible equals true. Visible equals false. There we go. So then we'll hide the button once they join the game until they select a team. And now let's start creating the teams. Okay, next team. Oh, what the heck? There you go. And now a purple team. So if you're doing like a choosing team, like a team where everyone is on until they select a team, I highly suggest changing all of those to make it so that auto-assignable is false. And then they won't be auto-assigned to the team. Unless if you're like not going to put that up right when they join the game. And then they won't have to see it that way, so. Whoa. And then a choosing team. Choosing team. And then the choosing team can be auto-assignable true. Okay, sorry about that. I was checking how much time there is, so I might divide this into two separate parts, so yeah. And then script that parent.team change frame dot connect function. Then we're going to create a server event so that the whole server sees the person on the same team. So change team. And then a script over there so that game replicate storage.change team on server event connect function. And then okay, we're going to use a parameter, so player then team. So then player.team equals game.team. There we go. And then we'll apply the edits. So then game replicate storage dot change team fire server, and then red team. And then we're going to clone this function. Red, yellow, green, blue, purple. Yellow, green, blue, and purple. And there we go. Let's try it now. Oh, and one more thing I should make so that the team change rate dot visible equals false. Script dot parent dot equals true. There we go. So now there we go. Let's try it now. There we go. We're on a choosing team and then red team. And we can always go and change our teams to whatever we want. So purple team, and let's try it again. So people start on the choosing team and then they can select their team and go on to the blue team. Now let's test for all teams starting when you enter the game. There we go. Green team works. Yellow team works. And purple team works. Cool. So that is how you create your own team change GUI. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, make a friendly comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn post notifications on so that you never miss out on a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.